Shalom, shalom, everyone. I have a bird mystery here, a bird death mystery. Now, this is heavenly bamboo that I am trimming on the west side of my house. And here is a dead bird. Now, let me get this. This is a common grackle. And if you can see, just a second, because I don't want to touch him. Let's see if I can get something. Okay. If you can see, let me go out a little bit. His neck was stuck right there. See, and he's a little bit stiff now. Whoops, he's a little bit stiff now. But there's where his neck was stuck in between those two branches. Now, I just think it's kind of strange that he would get stuck like that, because these branches are not hard to move or anything. And he hasn't been dead that long, because he's not got no flies or anything on him, or his eye is still, and again, I don't want to mess with him too much, but see, he hasn't, well, he may have some maggots on him. I don't think those are maggots, but I'm just kind of curious how he got stuck there. Now, I'm going to leave him there. I'm not going to mess with him. It's on the west side of my house. Some critter, possum or something, will come by tonight and take him away. I'll just let him do what nature intends on him doing after his death. But I'm just wondering if y'all have ever seen anything like that before. Huh. Mystery. I always thought grackles were pretty. And he looks like a common grackle. I've been having quite a few of them here around my house lately. This is, when are we? We're in April. I don't remember the day. Well, I'll put the day in the description. But, have y'all ever seen a bird get stuck in hedges? And I guess he broke his neck or something, I'm not sure. But we'll let nature take its course, and I'll cut down the rest of my heavenly bamboo there, and we shall see. Praise Yahweh for his critters. Not one sparrow falls without him knowing about it. So Yahweh had a reason. I just don't know what it is. But have y'all ever seen a bird strangle in bushes? Thanks for watching. Shalom, shalom.